In first video of function chapter, we have done definition of function and few terms like image, pre-image, domain, codomain and range of the function. In second video of this chapter, we will discuss various types of relation. Bring it close. Various types of function. For various types of function like many-one function, one-one function, into function, onto function. A function is either many-one or one-one. Both cannot be together. And the function is into or onto. Either either into or onto. Both cannot be together. Now, first of all, many-one function. This is the common statement for every function. Let f a to b be a function from a to b. Is said to be many-one function. The first type, many-one function. In many-one function, two or more than two elements of A have same image in B. So therefore, in many-one function, if two or more than two elements of A have same image in B, like in this one, x1 and x2 have same image y2, and therefore this is many-one function. Here image of x1 is y2 and image of x2 is also y2. We have written here fx1 means image of x1 is y2. fx2 means image of x2 is y2. Here both are y2, so fx1 equal to fx2. fx1 equal to fx2. But x1 is not equal to x2. It means what? x1 is not equal to x2 means x1 and x2 are two different elements, but their images are same. Since two different elements have same image, we call it many-one function. It can also be written x1 is not equal to x2 but fx1 equal to fx2, and therefore f is many-one function. Now we come to one-one function. In one-one function, what happens? Distinct element of set A have distinct image in set B. Like x1 has the image y2, x2 have the image y3 and x3 have the image y1. So therefore it can be written fx1 equal to y2, fx2 equal to y3, fx3 equal to y1, as it is mentioned in the figure also. So no two element of A have same image in B, like many-one function. So it can be said for all x1, x2 belongs to A, x1 not equal to x2, x1 not equal to x2 implies fx1 not equal to fx2. Means if elements are different in A, their images are also different. Images are also different in B. Or we can say in this way also, for all x1, x2 belongs to A, fx1 equal to fx2 implies x1 equal to x2. What does it mean? If the images of two different elements are same, it means the elements are also same. So that's why it is written here, if distinct element of A have distinct image in B, the function is 1 1. Now some suggestions are here in the form of note. A function is either 1 1 or many 1. Both cannot be together, and therefore function is 1 1 in general method. How do we prove 1 1 or many 1? So if a function is 1 1, it is proved in general way, otherwise it is many 1. Or one can prove the function many 1 with the help of suitable example. If it is many 1, then many 1, otherwise it is 1 1. So this is the way we prove 1 1 or many 1.